Welcome everyone to the Power of Events in New York. I want to thank you all for attending, and we're very pleased to have provided everyone with somewhere to be before the Rangers Capital game. Just kidding. Or the draft. The draft is tonight too. First, if you don't know me, I'm Bruce Fador. Have been in the financial services and data business, selling and running businesses for many years. Had cut my teeth, I guess, here back in pre-Thompson days at First Call. When there was a separate First Call. No more. You couldn't find it. It's all baked into the icon at this point, the platform. Wall Street Horizon was founded by Barry Starr 12 years ago and is in the forward-looking events data business. There's plenty of calendars available out there, and clearly they're all on the platforms that all of us use, whether it's, again, an Icon, an S&P Cap IQ, a Bloomberg. The differentiation on this for us, we have really built the business around the sole objective of being the most accurate provider of this type of data in the industry, bar none. So what are we talking about exactly? Textbook definition, forward-looking, very simple, planning for, anticipating possible future events. An event, again, easy, something that's regarded as important, a happening, especially one of some importance. For Wall Street Horizon in 2014, we verified just about 24,000 earnings dates, physically verified those. Input some 9,100 dividend information. Monitored over 50,000 date breaks, which are basically changes in dates, which Joshua will talk a bit about in his paper, where a company has changed its date over, from its planned original release date to either moving it forward or moving it back. All in, between other data sets, we've probably had about 115,000 cataloged events in the year 2014. Company is growing. We're looking to expand on the data set we cover today, so we really distance ourselves from what I guess I would call the big box providers, my alma maters being in that group. And clearly events are everywhere. Science, media, most certainly financial markets, and some are unplanned. Many are known in advance. And that's what we try to do our very best at, to help you plan for those, to lead to an opportunity, and to manage risk. And if you had any doubt as to the power and importance of these, this type of information might have, let Twitter's faux pas on Tuesday confirm that we do need to pay attention, whether we're an investor, a trader, a market maker, and this information does have a very important piece in our investment strategy. With that, let me introduce our three esteemed speakers. First, we're going to start off with Joshua Livnet, and I'll introduce everybody, and then we'll save questions, at the end of their prezos or at the very end of this tonight. Joshua is a professor emeritus of accounting at New York University, Stern School of Business. Joshua teaches courses in e-commerce, financial statement analysis, and financial accounting. He's been with New York University Stern for more than 15 years, or NYU Stern. Primary research areas include capital markets, effects of various accounting disclosure on stock prices, equity valuation, and financial statement analysis, and new economy valuation issues. He is also a managing director at QMA in Newark, which is Quantitative Management Associates. His colleague, Li Zhang, who helped him on the paper, I don't have as good a background, but she is at the Rutgers School of Business and was very instrumental and worked very closely with us in the creation of the paper that Joshua published. Paul Rawadi, who's in the second row, is a senior analyst at the TAB Group, has 20 years of capital markets experience with a background in research, risk management, trading technology, software development, hedge fund operations. Paul joined TAB in 2009 from a company called Alphacution that he founded, where he was managing director for 5 years and focused on design, development, strategy, and research for market intelligence and data management systems. He also has a patent, which is pretty cool, on automated event risk management research platform and a data model for global capital market participants. And our third speaker is in our front row from One Market Data. Our co-sponsor is John Kello, who is currently product manager at One Market Data, 20 years in the industry, first starting at Goldman Sachs in the equity data strategy group. And then he went off to One Market Data, where he again is currently since 2007. Again, so questions, certainly goes out at the end, and then we'll leave time at the end of this for Q&A at the very finish of the presentations. Joshua?